Hello and welcome once again to Top 3 TV Ghana 2025. Today we are exploring the leading innovators in drop ceiling installation across the country. As we move further into the digital age, drop ceilings have evolved to incorporate smart technology and enhance sustainability features while maintaining their practical appeal. We are counting down the top 3 installers who continue to excel in both sustainability and reliability, setting new standards for the industry. Let's dive into our 2025 ranking. Taking the third place is the Architect Afrique. Architect Afrique by 2025 has revolutionized their approach to drop ceiling installation, integrating advanced eco-material smart technology. Their team now utilizes AI-assisted design planning, ensuring that your ceiling not only looks magnificent but also operates at peak efficiency. They've pioneered the use of recycled materials in their installations, making them a leader in sustainable construction practices. For those seeking innovation combined with reliability, Architect Afrique continues to push boundaries. Learn more about their services at www.architectafrique.com. In the second place is the Ghana Expert Builders. As we reach 2025, Ghana Expert Builders has emerged as a powerhouse in the modern drop ceiling installations. Their implementation of IoT-enabled ceiling system allows for smart climate control and energy management while maintaining their commitment to sustainability. Their installation now feature integrated LED lighting system and acoustic optimization technology, delivering a truly future-ready ceiling solutions. To explore their cutting-edge services, visit www.ghanaexpertbuilders.com. And finally, claiming the top spot is a Ceiling Expert Ghana. In 2025, Ceiling Expert Ghana continues to dominate the market with their revolutionary approach to drop ceiling installations. What set them apart is their perfect blend of sustainability and reliability, now enhanced with cutting-edge technology. Their new range of smart drop ceilings include features like automated ventilation control and embedded solar-powered system. Their installation process has been refined with robotic assistance, ensuring perfect precision every time. Visit www.ceilingexpertghana for more details. And there you have it, folks, the top 3 drop ceiling installers in Ghana for 2025. Thanks for turning into Top 3 TV Ghana. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit on the bell notification icon for top recommendations across various industries in Ghana. This video was proudly brought to you by Top 3 TV Ghana, your #1 advertising firm in Ghana.